Hi, this is Craig here, coming to you today with my new favorite toy. Did I say toy? Actually, I meant my new favorite method of transportation, the Citizen Frisco electric folding bike. This actually just replaced one of my cars. How does it work? Let's find out. There you have it. That's fast. 0 to 20 in about 3 seconds. Pretty awesome bike. Now let me show you some tips and tricks and show you why you should replace your car with a Citizen Frisco. Okay, so real quick, this is where your battery hides inside the frame. So if you want to get a look, flip up this switch, open that, open the compartment, and that's where your battery is. It requires a key if you want to remove it. You can charge it off the bike, but it's so much easier just to leave that in. So I usually never open this. Keeps it cleaner inside as well. So you just close that up. That locks into place. There's a little safety mechanism that goes down to make sure that that doesn't come open. Now let's look at the LCD screen. So here's your LCD screen. You just hold that button down to turn it on. Okay, to set the cruise control on this, which is pretty stinking awesome, you just throttle, twist the throttle here. First you got to start pedaling. Then I'm going to twist that throttle. You get this up to the speed you want to cruise at. So it looks like it's topping out with just the throttle. I'm about 19 something. So I'm going to hold down the bottom button. You'll see a C appear. Now I can release the throttle. I'm not holding the throttle. As you can see, I'm not pedaling, and I'm cruising at 19.2 miles per hour. And just if you brake, it shuts that off. You'll see the C disappeared. So let's say you want to cruise at a slower speed. What I did is I turned the throttle down to level 3. So that'll top out. I start pedaling. Give it the throttle. It's going to go to about, looks like 14, right around 13, 9, 14. I'm going to hold the down button. Cruise came on. I can release the throttle and just cruise at that speed. See, no pedaling. And it'll just stay right around that speed. It's staying right about 14. And that's gonna sit right there until I brake. Here on flat ground, see how fast I can go. If you want to turn on the backlight on the display in case you're going to be riding in the evening, you simply hold the up button down for a second or two. And then as you can see, the screen lights up for you. So in summary, here's the top reasons that you should buy the Citizen Frisco e-bike. 1, it's super fast. It'll go over 20 miles per hour on flat ground, a bit faster down hills. It has cruise control, so you can just set the throttle, set your speed, and just go. So you don't even have to pedal or hold the throttle down, which can actually wear your hand out from twisting, as I've seen on other electric bikes. The other awesome factor is that it's foldable, so you can fold it up, take it into work. It doesn't weigh too much, folds really quickly and easily, and it charges in just a few hours. So you could ride it to work, give it a full charge, and ride home on it. where we work is about it's about an 8-mile ride, and in the car it takes about 15 minutes, and I can get there on bike in about 20 minutes, taking the bike path and avoiding most of the lights. So anyway, I highly recommend the Citizen Frisco now that I've had a few weeks to use it and operate it, and I hope you'll consider getting one too. Excellent price at about $1,100. Alright, I hope you enjoyed this review, and let me know your feedback on what you think, and if you get one for yourself, let me know what your take is on it.